Ladies and gentlemen, we are back in CodeFights in the dark wilderness growing plant of the intro section. So what are we tasked with here? Essentially, this scenario is we are trying to track how tall a plant grows every night from the sunlight. That would be our up speed. And then we're also tracking how much it decreases every night. That's the down speed, as well as the height we're trying to get to. The way I did this was I just kept a variable called total height, and then I created a while loop that added a day, as well as added the total height based off of the up speed, and an if statement to make sure that the once we hit that desired height, it broke the loop, etc., etc. So pretty straightforward. So let's go ahead and get started. So we'll start with let total height equal to 0. Again, this is going to be basically our count element that's going to keep track of what we're trying to find here. Then we're going to have a days element as well. Excuse me, a days variable. And in here, we're going to have our while loop. And so while our total height is less than our desired height, we'll continue running our loop. Now, each iteration, the first thing we want to do is we want to add 1 to the day. The next thing that we want to do is we want to take total height and we want to add our up speed to it. Now, one thing that threw me for a loop was after that I did the down speed, but what would happen is in certain use cases where the down speed made enough of a difference to kick you out of your desired height issue, it would rerun. So how I solved that was I created an if statement that said, hey, if the total height is less than the desired height, meaning after we add our after we add to total height, if it is greater than our desired height, we don't want it to minus anything because we want it to exit the loop. But if it's not, go ahead and minus whatever our down speed is, and at the end here all we have to do is return days. I would say the hardest part is just making sure that, for the most part, if you've gotten this far, this one should be a pretty easy one. The desired height, total height minus down speed. This is probably, this if statement is the only way. And I was trying to think of a different way to doing this because I thought maybe there was a way to minus after an iteration. For some reason I couldn't think of what I was trying to do there, but I'm pretty sure there is. So you might be able to get rid of this and just subtract in a different fashion. But as always, guys, I don't know what my cats are doing right now. They're knocking shit over. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share your solutions in the comments for other people so they can see it and learn and grow as I'm trying to do while I do these things. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, Facebook page, Patreon, and Discord channel. Links are all in the description. Bye. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Special thanks to our sponsors, Dev Mountain. If you're looking for a coding bootcamp where tuition and housing is included, definitely check them out. Appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.